We are all familiar with facials. Facials that we get done on our face. They hydrate, they exfoliate, they give us a lot of glow. But what about your body? Your body also needs all of these wonderful things. And today we're going to talk about it. Hello and welcome to Skincare Simplified. My name is Nipun, your skincare bestie, now a certified skincare consultant. And today's video is all about how you do a body facial at home. Now this body facial routine is something that I like to do once, maybe twice a month. But honestly, if I can do this once a month, I'm really lucky. This has a couple of steps. It has a couple of products. You can make it as simple and as complicated as you like. However, today's video, I'm going to show you the full routine. This is a beautiful ritual. I do it by setting up a Moroccan bath at home. And this allows me to not only exfoliate and hydrate my skin, I also give myself a body pack. And by doing so, I get amazing glow. Highly recommend this for the summer. All the products that I use for this process are going to be in the description box, and I'm also going to give you some alternatives that you can get if you're viewing me from India, USA or UK, but obviously all the products that I used in this video were purchased from Amazon in the UAE. If you like this kind of a video, do consider liking the video and subscribing to my channel. Help me reach 50,000 subscribers. I create new videos 4 times a week, every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. And in the middle, about once a week, I give you a bonus video. This is that bonus video of the week. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. Alright, let me show you the Moroccan bath setup that I have created in my bathroom. I have got lots and lots of candles on because I love candles. They look beautiful, and this is a calming ritual for your body and for your soul. I've also got my bukur on because I want the whole place to smell beautiful. Got all of my bathing supplies right here on the corner so I can access them easily. I will show you all the details, starting out with these fresh flowers that I picked up from my garden. Wash them in slightly warm water, and now I'm going to just pick these out and put them in my bath. If you have access to fresh roses, especially desi gulab, that would be ideal, but I don't, so I've just used these. This is an unnecessary step, but it really adds a beautiful experience to your entire bath. I've also got my sheet masks right here. I use them while I'm soaking into the shower. I've got a few other supplies. Meanwhile, I also kept my Moroccan tea to brew. This is homemade. I'm going to be sipping it after. And in addition to that, we've just got all of this beauty soaking in. Let me show you my Moroccan glove that I will be using and my foot brush. Now let's get into the detail of the products. The first thing I'm adding to my bath is this Elimis milk bath. This is sort of like a soap, but it is a gentle hydrating bath for your entire bathing experience. I'm adding a lot of it because the tub is pretty large, and this is very hydrating for your body. You can use any product. This is just what I'm using. Next, because this is a Moroccan bath experience, I'm adding some frankincense infused rose water. I got this off Amazon and I'm going to link it all here. This is a spray bottle, but I just opened it up and I've added it to the bath. This makes the bath smell beautiful and it's hydrating. Last but not the least, a little bit, the tiniest bit of bathing salts, just for a purpose of detoxifying. And I am just going to mix it all up and let this entire mixture just get ready in all the warm water that I have put in. I'm obsessed. I'm just loving the bath that I've created with all of my flowers. And now let's get into step 2. So the first thing I like to do as a part of this routine is actually oil my hair, because I am going to be washing my hair later. I'm going to be taking steam, so I don't want my hair to dry out. In fact, this is the best time to oil my hair because they can get all the benefits from the steaming process. So very quickly, we're just going to untangle them. They're actually untangled. There isn't much of a tangle situation happening in my hair, so I'm just going to lightly brush them like so, and then I'm going to get started with the oiling process. This is a premix that I do, which is my onion hair oil and rosemary oil mix. I've already done a video where I have shown exactly how to mix it, but yeah, I then like to apply this onto my roots. Now the thing you need to know is your hair can literally absorb, or all of the penetration of the oil can be done in 30 minutes. So you don't need to do this whole overnight oiling bit. 30 minutes is all you need. And I actually like to save serum bottles. You know, when I save a bottle like this, after the serum is over, I can actually reuse it because the dropper makes it super easy to actually apply the oil. I just love creating a Moroccan bath at home. It's such a beautiful sensory experience. I can't do it every week because you guys, I have to like shoot the videos and I have a full-time job. So yeah, there's a home to manage, but at least twice a month. I aim for twice a month. Right now I'm doing it after 3 weeks. So I don't know when is it going to happen next. Okay, so we're done here. Now the massage. So we're getting started with the massage, and this is supremely important, just making sure that all of that beautiful premix oil that I created is getting into my scalp. Using my fingertips, gently pressing and giving myself a massage. Would ideally like someone else to do it, but I am my own masseuse, so I'm focusing on my own pressure points, which is behind my head and the nape of my neck. Just take your time with this process. Don't be in a hurry. Enjoy it because you are going to thank me. The more time you take in this entire process, the better is going to be your entire experience from the Moroccan bath that you set up. So take your time, don't rush. Now I'm taking a little more into the palm of my hands, and this will go on to the lengths of my hair, because with the dropper what I did was applied everything to the roots. The lengths are still dry, so I'm basically twisting, turning, not rubbing because I don't want my hair to break or fall. Just going very gently with the hair oil onto the lengths of my hair, turning, twisting. This is how I like to massage my hair. And now I'm pulling it all back because now we're going to get into the process of soaking, etc. So your hair need to be pulled back so they don't get wet with the water or disrupt the soaking process. Now we're ready. So hair are oiled. Now part 2, before we jump into that beautiful bath I created, I'm actually going to take a quick shower. Now this is a really important part of the Moroccan bath because my bath is infused with oils, it is infused with rose water, a lot of goodness, the whole Elim's milk bath. I want my body to I want all that goodness to penetrate onto my clean body. Now since I took a shower yesterday, I have body lotion, I have oil, I have sweat, so I want to get rid of all of that, and I need to take a quick shower before I go into that one bath that I created. Since this is a Moroccan routine, we're not just going to use any shower gel. I am using my Moroccan Nila soap mixture. This is literally blue in color, and this comes in the form of a slithery paste like this. So all you need to do is scoop a little bit out, use it onto your body as a soap. It emulsifies really beautifully. I'm going to show you a quick demo right here because obviously I'm not taking you into the shower with me. So let me show you how this works. I took a little bit on my hands. It's super slippery, so you got to be careful that you don't like drop it and half of it doesn't go into your down the sink, and it lathers up just like a beautiful soap. Now this is supposed to be really good for detanning, and I have actually noticed a lot of benefit from this soap. Number one, it's super hydrating, it's not drying. So you know, when I tried using the Koji Sand soap, the kojic acid soap for detanning, my body was extremely dry and I just couldn't take it despite applying a lot of oils, a lot of lotions. But this baby isn't drying, it's very hydrating. So you basically are going to massage this all over your body. You can leave it on for a few minutes or just wash it off. I just wash it off and that's it. So now I'm going to take a quick shower and be right back. So here I am stepping into my shower off camera. Shower is done, and now I like to soak into my bath for at least 20 minutes. This is also the time I'm going to treat myself to some sheet masks, which I will show you. While I was in the shower, I soaked my Moroccan glove into the bath that I created and squeezed it dry because you need it to be wet when you're ready to scrub. In addition to this, I've got here my hydrogel patch, lip patch, hydrogel eye patches, and I've also got my number 7 sheet mask. After soaking in for about 20 minutes, it's time to go scrub dub dub. Now remember, when you're starting to use the Moroccan glove, for you to be able to exfoliate, your skin needs to be damp. So don't completely dry it out with a towel, let it naturally dry out, and then just start scrubbing circular motions. Some of the gunk is starting to come out, but you will see a lot more. Just check this out. This is just on the sides of my arm, and as you scrub, it gets worse. It is so disgusting, but so satisfying at the same time. I'm doing this routine pre-vax, and this is ideal if you want to avoid keratosis pilaris, strawberry skin, ingrown hair, all of that. So scrubbing it really well, both my legs, entire body, the top of your feet, just get everywhere you can with this particular glove, and look at all the dead skin and gunk that came out. Ew. Now that I'm all scrubbed and exfoliated comes the fun part, which is the body mask. I'm here using the Moroccan Blue, the Nila body mask. This is a clay mask. If you don't get this wherever you are, use any mask, any clay mask which has a brightening ingredient like orange peel, multani mitti, ideally mixed together. But this baby really brightens up your skin. I'm going to be linking all the products in the description box so you can get it if you want to. So this is a powder. I'm going to create a nice fun paste out of it. Look at this bright blue paste that we got. I mixed a little bit with simple water and a little bit of rose water. And now I'm going to put it all over my body and let it dry, and we'll see the after results. But I know this works. I've used it a couple of times. It is beautiful. So I'm going to get started turning myself blue. I have officially turned myself into Avatar, ET, whatever, some form of an alien. This has a little bit of scrubby particles, but it's not like a harsh scrub. It's just a little coarse. So I'm just going to wait, allow it to dry, and then the method is that you're going to scrub and wash it off. So that process I'm going to actually complete in the shower. I will try and show you whatever I can as decently as possible, but just try and understand that you're basically scrubbing this product and taking it off, showering, and at the same time I'm actually going to get the oil out of my hair because it's been about an hour almost. So the product is dry. It's still blue, but very dry. Now is the time to scrub and wash it off. So just for the purpose of demonstration, I'm going to do it here next to my sink, and then I'll go into the shower. So what I'm doing is I'm taking a little bit of water on my hands, and now I'm just going to scrub it. So this way, all the coarse particles are going to get scrubbed really easily. Strongly recommend that you don't rush this process. Take your time, because this is really going to brighten your skin in the best possible manner, believe you me. So don't rush into this process. Take a shower. Shower is done. I also took a short steam. Basically in my shower cubicle I do have an outlet where I can create steam. So that is what I did. It is completely optional but recommended. So if you can get some steam after the whole body bath process, it's ideal. Your pores are nice and open, and now this is the time to go in with my favorite part, that is the massage. You can use any body oil, coconut, olive, whatever you like. I'm using this one by Biotique. This is the carrot seed oil. It is an, I don't know why everything is anti-aging, but they do call it anti-aging carrot seed oil. And yeah, I'm just going to take that onto my palms and then start massaging my body. Just doing the scrub and the pack, my body is so bright, so smooth. It is gorgeous, and I really recommend that you try this process. So I'm basically going to take my own sweet time, massage my entire body, and then what I do like to use also a little bit after that is this product. This is the Fairy Godmother Shimmering Body Oil by Sunday Riley, and this is packed with vitamin C, CQ10, and some antioxidants. So this is just not a shimmering oil. It has some skincare benefits. So I apply this after I slather myself in the Biotique oil. Can you see how shiny, smooth my elbows are? I mean, this is fantastic. And I do recommend doing this in the summer. Now in Dubai, weather is getting better, which means the beach weather is back. And for that purpose, you want to have your body nice, tan-free and shining. So in the description box, what I have done is I have linked not only all the products that I have used. For some of you who are in India and you can't get exactly these Moroccan products, I have listed some of the alternatives that I think will work really, really well. So if you're interested in recreating this experience, do check out all the products in the description box, and yeah, do that. After this process is over, I go ahead and start drying my hair, styling my hair, and that's another process for another video. If you want to see that, leave me a comment below. What I recommend that you should ideally do after this Moroccan bath experience: sip some hot tea and go to sleep. Take a power nap for 30 minutes and oh my god, you're going to wake up so refreshed, and the whole treatment that you have put yourself through is going to have even better effects. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to the channel and liking my video. I'm going to see you next time. Let me know if you want to see my hair care routine. Take great care of yourself. Bye.